Hello YouTubers, and today I'm going to be telling you how to build an American Lego refrigerator. So first off, you're going to start off with this slate. It has smooth bits here and bumpy bits there. Then you're going to get a 1x4 slate. You're going to stick it where the bumpy bit is, there. That. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get a 1x6, stick it where that is smooth plated, just like that. Then you're going to get a 1x3, simple, put it there, and a 1x2 and a 1x1, and just stick it like that. So you would now have this. Then get a door. You can find any of these doors in, well, anywhere. Make sure it opens. And just get a grey stud and just stick it there, just like that. And then you're going to build up one layer with 3 1x4s. So you get one 1x4 and place it there. Right there, you can place one. So just place it there. And one right here. So you should have the result of that. Then I'm going to show you how to make a shelf for your fridge. And you'll need a 2x4, a 1x4 smooth, 2, and then 2 1x1s, a 1x4, 1x4, and a 1x6. So what you're going to do, just going to get your 2x6, get the smooth bit there, get the 1x4 studded one, and then you're going to place it so it's at this, like that. So you have the smooth bit there and the studded bit there. You're going to get your 1x6 studded plate, place it there. Then where there are gaps here, you're going to place your 1x4s like that. Then you have one shelf, and the food can click on there now. Then you build up 2 layers. There's 2 layers. So all you need to do is get a 1x4 and stack them on top of each other. Make 3 of those. Make 3 of these. So you would have them. Then take one, place it there. Place one at the back. There. Place one at your right here. Then it's simple. Just do what I told you before. Do that, the smooth studded and a 2x6. Place it down. And if you forgot what I told you, just rewind this video and you'll get it. The 1x6 at the back. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to mention, because you builded 2 shelves, you actually have 3 spaces. So you have one at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. So, okay, now all you need to do now is just build up. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention the 1x1s. Like that. Then just do what I told you before again. Get 2x4s and stack, 1x4s and stack them on top of each other's, and then stick it like that. And you have a space at the back. Stick like that. So just the camera is getting a bit big now. Right, here are the pieces you'll need for the roof or the top of it. You'd need a 1x6 smooth and another 1x6 smooth. So that 3 2x2 squares that are smooth and a 2x4 studded. So you get your 2x4 studded and you get your two 1x6s and just stack it on top of each other like that. Then you'll be left with two of them. Bring back to your refrigerator, a nice top view, and then you just stick it right there. You have this gap here, and that's where your squares come in. Just put your squares there. Now, here's the food that I use. Show you the food that is great for this refrigerator. So, 4 cylinders for cans of Coke, and the easy way to get your food in is to take the roof off or top and the door off. So take the door off and take your frame out with it. It is a lot easier to get food in that way. So then you'll have that. Then get your food or drinks, and at the top you just place them in this order. Because I told you to put the square studs for the food to stick on, so you just stick them like that on the studs. It looks great when the door's on. So you have that bit. Now we want the sweets, yogurts or ice creams, and you want to turn them around so you'll have like a pattern. So it's like a 4-pack. Then you just stick it right in there on the right hand side. So you get one of them and stick it there like that. Looks great. And the other one, stick it in there, and it actually sticks because of the studded one at the back. Then you get your pizza and stick. We get a pizza because I haven't never showed you it, and you stick it right beside it. This can be a bit fiddly. I advise you to get one of these 2x6s and just like pat it down. Just pat it down. That's what I've done just then. Then that sticks perfectly, looks great. Then you just get your chicken and your fish and just slip it in the bottom. And all your foods can look great with a bit of artwork. You can turn Lego food into a place they can be happy. It looks great, doesn't it? You have your yogurt, your pizza, your drinks, and it looks just excellent. This has been Lego Master 283 Productions of the Lego creator. This has been great displaying this to you. This is Lego Master 283 signing out.